Greetings everyone, this is Rick here, and I am today going to shoot a video of me actually installing this system. I've talked about in previous videos about how I had been able to do this in less than 10 minutes, and I actually can, so we're going to do that today. The things that I have, of course, is hair. Got my scalp protector, Walker scalp protector. I have got this Walter Ultra Hold. That is what works for me and with my oily scalp, which it's very, very oily. I can use this and I can get a week's worth of hold, never any more than that, because my scalp and skin is just too oily. And then I have this little brush here that cheap to get, and I use it once and throw it away because they're so cheap, and it gets the glue on it, so you don't want to try to clean these things up. That's way too much trouble. I'm gonna look at the clock. Start out is something I have learned to do for myself that works, is that with this, you see a lot of times people putting it on their scalps and painting it on. That simply doesn't work for me. I never get the hairline right. I either have the hairpiece too far back, and so there's glue all in the front, or too far forward, or I put it on first and, you know, put the front down and kind of mark it to where you get it. That doesn't really work well either for me. But what I have learned does and makes things a lot easier is to put the glue right on the hair system itself. Let's just go ahead and I squirt it right around the edges. And then I take the brush and I'm just going to blend it out to the actual edge of the system. Not hard. Just kind of a little bit down the middle. I don't try to get it on everything, but this one's going to wind up being kind of on everything, but that's okay. Okay, like that. I'm going to throw this away. And the trash that goes. Then, while that's drying a bit, I'm going to get my scalp protector here. Put it on the head of it. So, quicken that pace a little bit with the blow dryer. I use a mirror. And I put it right down on the surface and get this system in my hand like this. Hold it and make sure I've got it straight. Then I simply bend over the mirror. Stick it onto my head. And gentlemen, I am done. It is on. Of course, it doesn't look great. And then I've got a comb like this, and I make sure the front edge is down good. And then I have one of these big combs that I kind of go around. And I'll bend over and let things down. And doesn't look great still, but it's on my head. And I'll get up close so you can see. Look at there we go, groovy. 10 minutes. Now, what I did with the unit, I have more than one unit, and that's a must, is the unit that I took off is right here, soaking in this little dish. Let it soak overnight. Never seemed to hurt the system. And that way, when I get up the next morning or the next day at some time, whenever I've got time, then I come in and I get toilet paper, and I started using that instead of cotton because it works better, and just start rubbing it off. And I mean, in like 30 seconds, it's all off of there. Wash it, put it somewhere to dry. And so that doesn't take any time. Literally, the reason to do this or not to do it is not because of a time factor, because it doesn't take any, as you just saw. Anyway, that's it, guys. So hope it helped. Again, scalp protector, Walker hard bond, a mirror, a comb each, and I hope everyone has a great blessed day. See you later.